I'm going to share with you my take on companion planting. My name is Deb Bolden, and I work with the Seed Library at Piqua Public Library. There's a lot of benefits to companion planting. I hope to help you get started. Number one, it improves the soil. By using plants to improve the overall ecosystem of the garden in which organisms thrive and complement each other, anything that improves the soil will give you healthier plants and a higher yield in crops. Some plants can break up heavy soil. Various species of fungi called mycorrhizal fungi colonizes the root of almost every plant on earth. It helps the plant by receiving carbohydrates from their plant host and transfers the nutrients from the soil into the plants, even from one plant to another. Plants can communicate with each other through chemical messages. Some plants living in crowded conditions excrete into the soil the cue for the plants to grow more quickly to avoid being outcompeted, while others will release chemicals to inhibit the growth of their neighbors. Number two, they can serve as a living mulch. You can plant living mulch plants alternating with vegetable crops throughout the garden. You can grow living mulch underneath taller plants in rows or blocks. You can also plant in narrow strips. Living mulch plants can flank each side of the rows. Number three benefit would be it minimizes the need for pest control, chemicals. Companion planting can repel pests, also attract beneficial insects into your garden. Good bugs eat the bad bugs. Companion plants should be planted very close to the vegetable crop or alternate rows. You can also have plant partners for masking plants. Masking host plants will hide and confuse the bad bugs and will bring in beneficial bugs and pollinators. Number four benefit, some companion plants provide support for other plants. A few examples would be corn and pole beans, also with cucumbers, peas, and squash. Sunflowers can act as a structure as a windbreaker for corn. The fourth reason would be a reduction of weeds, and that's accomplished by growing the plants closer together. There is no room for the weeds to grow. Don't worry though, it won't keep all the weeds out, but it definitely helps. Number five, get the benefit of attracting pollinators when you plant companion plants that bloom, bringing color and beauty to the garden by planting flowers, herbs, and vegetable companion plants. The Piqua Seed Library has a lot of seeds that are listed on the companion plants on the Farmer's Almanac page. Don't forget to order up to 10 packs of seeds per month from the Seed Library. Next month, I plan on talking about how to attract pollinators to your garden. Happy gardening!